Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Payoneer to Amazon affiliate accounts so that you can start receiving your payments or payouts. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can do this in a few seconds. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for Amazon Associate. Okay, now after that you want to click on the first result here at Amazon.com Associate, and it's going to take you guys to your Amazon Associate here account. Now here where you can see like your earnings, your clicks, impressions. You want to click here on your email address, your Gmail in the top right here. Okay. Now after that you want to click on account settings. Now after guys you click on account settings, it's going to take you guys to this page, and you want to click here on below payment and tax information. You want to click on change payment method, and here it says here your payment method. So you can either get paid by a check or get paid by a gift card if you want, or you can like add your bank account. Now how you can add your bank account is easy. Just click here, it says add bank account here, and after that you want to click, I already added my bank account, as you can see, my Payoneer bank account. It's like the bank location is United States, of course, and the bank name is First Century Bank, and the primary currency is of course US dollars. Now you can either edit the details, like if you want to change the bank account, or you can add a new bank account if you don't have any Payoneer bank account linked to your like Amazon Associate. Now you want to click on add new bank account, and here you want to add the information. Okay, now you want to go to your own Payoneer account. I'm going to do that right now, and after that you want to like just log in into your Payoneer account and click on get paid. After that you want to click on receiving accounts, and you want to scroll down and you want to click on USD dollars, or USD like USA. Okay, so as you can see, this bank is based in USA. USD, as you can see, is the currency of the bank, which is like dollars. Now what you guys need to do next, you just need to copy, simply just need to copy the routing number, the account number, the account type, your name, which is like the bank, which is like the name you used to create your Payoneer account. Now you want to just copy the routing number first, go back, and you want to add here the routing number. I'm going to add here the routing number right now. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to go back. Now the bank name or account number, I'm going to add here. I'm going to copy the account number and I'm going to paste it here. The account holder name, which is my name, I am going to copy again the name, and I'm going to go back, holder name, and the bank name is First Century. Okay, if you are linking a Payoneer bank account, you just need to bank name, you want to enter here First Century Bank. Now confirm the account number, you just need to copy again the account number and paste it here. And here the account type, you want to go with go back to your Payoneer. It's a checking account, as you can see. Account type, it's checking account. I'm going to click here checking. The bank currency, which is US dollars. After that you want to click on save changes. Now you have successfully added your bank account to your Amazon Associates. Now you can start receiving payments. Keep in mind that if you have any questions or anything, you don't understand anything, if you want to know how long it's going to take you to receive payouts, let me know in the comments. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. And make sure to drop a like on this tutorial, that would be highly appreciated. And it's like, yeah, see you guys in the next one.